Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of raw power, incredible skill, and the satisfying sound of timber crashing down, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of extreme woodcutting. It's going to be one wild ride. It was a shocking moment, but thankfully, no one was seriously hurt, and walking away with only minor injuries. What a close call. This man was suddenly lifted into the air, almost like he was riding a seesaw, but you can bet his heart was racing. Because of a small miscalculation while cutting the tree, it ended up falling the wrong way, right onto the root. You can almost feel the shock as that huge trunk crashes down. A tough lesson in how just one wrong angle can turn a routine job into a costly mess. Just one falling branch, and suddenly you've got fire, smoke, and a real safety hazard on your hands. Let's take a look at how this man cuts down a tree. You can see him sizing it up, planning each move carefully, or at least trying to. This man suddenly ran into trouble. For a moment, it looked like things could end badly. But thankfully, he escaped with only minor injuries. It's a scary reminder that working up high is no joke. Even one small slip can be dangerous. The falling tree came crashing down and completely crushed his little shed. In just seconds, all that hard work and storage space was flattened. The lumberjack is working with real skill and precision. Every cut is steady, every move is confident. You can tell he's done this countless times before. Here's a dangerous situation you'll want to see and pay close attention to. It happens in just a split second, but it's a powerful reminder of how quickly things can go wrong. Let's watch how this man carefully takes apart his roof. It was an unexpected moment, but the man reacted just in time. You can see how quick thinking made all the difference here. Let's see how this man handles cutting down this massive tree and whether any danger comes his way. Well, that was quite a collection of surprising tree-cutting moments, wasn't it? Life sure has its little twists and turns, just like those branches. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more heartwarming and unexpected moments. Take care, and see you next time.